Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Ademola TV Plus YouTube channel, your number one online favorite TV. So today is Monday. As you've always known, we got to celebrate our May celebrity. So who is our May celebrity today? Our May celebrity is in person of Ibrahim Yekinni Itele. Woo! Okay. Hey, let's get to business. Let's get to it.
Ibrahim Yekinni, a.k.a. Itele, is an award-winning Nollywood actor, writer, producer, and director. He was born on the 1st of January 1980 in Kano State, Nigeria. He is an award-winning Nollywood actor, writer, and producer and director. He featured mostly in Yoruba movies. Ibrahim Yekinni grew up in the northern region of Nigeria, specifically in Kano State, where he had his education. Itele, the icon, started his acting career in Iju-Shaga, Lagos State, when he enrolled for an apprenticeship with Folorunsho Adijobi Theatre Group in 1998. In 2000, Ibrahim Yekinni featured in his first Nollywood movie titled Dapo Tori Tie. He featured as a criminal in the movie. His first movie production was titled Itele. Got his nickname from the movie titled. His second production was Ekumeta, directed by Don Richard. He learned his directional skill from him. This movie brought him to limelight in 2019. He wrote and produced and directed the Yoruba movie blockbuster Return of Kesari alongside the renowned director Tope Adebayo. Ibrahim Yekinni Itele popular works are Kesari and Lucifer. Both are released in 2019, and also Ekumeta. So we introduced to you Ibrahim Yekinni Itele as our Man Crush Monday today. So with all the love we have for him, join us as we celebrate our MCM for today, Ibrahim Yekinni. Okay.
If you're just coming across this channel for the first time, please kindly subscribe to this channel. Kindly subscribe to this channel, and also hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first person to get notified anytime we drop a new content. It might be a movie or any content on this channel. So kindly like, comment, share to your family and friends and your loved ones. So don't forget to follow us on all our social media platforms at Ademola TV Plus. Follow us on Facebook at Ademola TV Plus. Follow us on Twitter at Ademola TV Plus. Follow us on Threads at Ademola TV Plus. And don't forget to visit this channel often and often to see any of our new content we just dropped. So till next week, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So that's how you can support us. That's how the way you can support us. And don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel to support our what we do. And if you enjoy this content, give it a thumbs up. Thank you. So till next week, Wednesday, when we come your way again, I say bye. Peace out.